How to use emergency SOS button in Ola. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily use emergency SOS button in Ola. So if you ever press the button, it will basically escalate your safety concerns to Ola's safety response team in real time as the team attempts to get in touch with you and the driver via phone calls. You can also send the right details to preset emergency contacts, which includes the driver contact details, vehicle numbers, and a live tracking link for your ride. So to use Ola emergency SOS button, basically open Ola app and locate the SOS button on your screen during an active ride. And just simply tap on that and the app will send an automatic message with your ride details to Ola's safety response team and can also send your driver's information, vehicle number, and a live ride tracking link, as I mentioned previously, to your emergency contacts via SMS. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.